Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word dimers. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientists discovered a new class of proteins called dimers, which are formed by the binding of two identical molecules. Dimers refer to a molecular structure formed by the association of two identical molecules, providing a better understanding of protein interactions in biological systems. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.